Yoo-hoo. I think video is a little bit tilted. Yeah, now should be good. So I wanted to record this when my pockets are a bit empty, and this time is such that the pockets are empty. Uh, there is a lot of debts to be cleared out first, and then I can be like more morally stable and financially as well. Stephen King has said like morality is like a rubbery concept, and based on your financial situations it changes as well. uh, Same with another tutor, Jordan. Okay, I'll just keep the link in the video if I find the guy I'm talking about. Even he says like, if the world, or if the normal populace has enough money, their views will change towards the world already. So I would like to give a personal example. So few months ago, before recording this video, I was just going through one conversation with my friend, and he suggested that, what do you want in life? Write a list. Be selfish. Uh, Means don't think that what other people are thinking about that list, and just write that list, so that you will actually discover that what you actually want in life. Because mostly we don't know what we want, and therefore we run towards the different goals which are being preached by our parents or peers or whatever in that time of society is being evaluated more. But what actually we want, we don't know that, and therefore like I actually started writing. Means I drew a mind map actually, which looks like that, but if you can stop it and frame it, you would be able to see what I wrote. But I'm too shy to show this list to anyone, because this is like a completely selfish kind of list. And then, mm, when this experiment was done, and after a few days, means probably yesterday or day before, I was reflecting on this list, and I did another experiment probably one year ago, which was preached by someone. Like, the another experiment was like, if you have like 10 unlimited money, like there is no obstacle in your life about the money, if there is no financial stoppage, you have abundance in money, uh, what are the things you want to do, or just list the 10 things what you'll like to do if you have no pressure of the money. And that would have been the list, what you really wanted to do. So like an year ago I was influenced by that list, and now I'm influenced by this list. And there were only one or two topics which match both the list. But the key difference was, I'll if I'm technically skilled, I will put that link somewhere, because that list is public. Where if you have abundance in money, what I would like to do. So that list I made, and I kept it online. So that list definitely I'll keep an I button somewhere and share it with you. But the second list, I'm a bit shy to share, because like I have really thought very personally and very selfishly what I wanted in life at this stage. And the main difference in between the two lists is the charity, or good for others, or something socially, or something good for others. uh, that part is only available when I have abundance in money. Means my thinking is like, when there is lot of money, I'm doing welfare for others. And when there is like the realistic situation where I am in and what I really want in life, I made this list which don't even have a single point for charity, for doing for others, for welfare. It doesn't have a single point like this in this list, the new one. So like, when you don't have money, when the pockets are empty, you think about yourself. And when your pockets, even in imagination, in your pockets are filled, you have abundance, you think about others. So uh, somewhat I agree with this point that when you want to think about the world problems, or what to say, climate change or something, something is happening for others, education for all, no hunger for everyone, that things are only possible when your pockets are filled. So first be rich and then think about these things. That's what my internal experiment was. But please do write in the comment section below that what are your thoughts on it, and if you have made those two lists, that when you have plenty of money and when you have no money, or where you are in current situation of life, what you're thinking will be for the charity and for normal, or what do you want, that kind of stuff. But really, have you figured out what do you want in life? So signing off with these thoughts, my name is Tapesh. See you in next video or next life, whichever is earlier. Ciao.